she is into the painting right now, and she paint she paints a lot of beautiful sceneries, but she is just 10 years old. So
Oh,
I
that's
have to learn a lot of things from her.
okay, okay. Okay. Would you describe a pen? The creative uses of a pen. Can you describe what a pen
Oh my
can?
god.
It's a little. It's okay, man. Another way how I could show off my mansion would be take pictures of me and the mansion behind me, upload it, and people can see it.
Yeah, exactly, true. That's a very attractive way.
Yeah.
Hi icons, sorry for the background noise because during that session my sister and her friends were playing. So please ignore the background noise, okay?
My first question to you is, what is creativity according to you?
Creativity is something that new, and in my opinion it is new, and also it is innovative one also, that you can innovate something that is new, that is
Mm,
different from others. That is creativity.
mhm. All right, something unique.
Yeah, right, something unique also.
Mm, okay. So, would you call yourself creative?
mm, yeah, I not so creative, but I should be considered more creative because I edit videos for YouTube, so that's why I have to remind always in my mind that I have to be creative, because sometimes viewers uh, may get bored during watching my videos, so that's why I have to be creative.
All right, that's quite nice. So, my next question was about to be, what do you do that asks you to be creative? So, since you already said you edit YouTube videos, so in that field, you have to be creative so that the
Yes,
audience is not bored and
yes,
they enjoy
uh,
animations and the
all the time, yes,
editions,
exactly.
etc. Okay. So, according to you, can creativity be learned?
Yeah, definitely creativity is something, you need to know some tools, you need to know some uh, what I say, some uh, what is called, you have to be, you should have experience on it. Whatever your field is, you have to know the basics, you have to know the tools, then you can innovate it according to your ways, and you can improve it by creating a lot of things. You have to improve gradually, but you should know the basics, you should know the tools, simple tools by
Okay.
which you can
So,
improve your creativity also.
hmm. So, do you know anyone who's quite creative?
Yes,
Anyone, any star, actor, your neighbors?
uh, my sister is so creative because uh, she is into the painting right now, and she paint she paints a lot of beautiful sceneries, but she is just 10 years old. So i have
Oh,
i
that's
have to learn a lot of things from her.
okay, okay. Okay. So let's just say that you have a job, and that
Mhm.
job does not require you to be creative. Would
Oh.
you opt for a more, would you go for a more creative job, or would you settle for the job that you already have that is not creative?
Oh, no, I will go for the place where there is the existence of creativity, because I love creativity. I I want to be creative person. So I, because it makes me feel happy. It makes me feel to enjoy every moment of life, every moment. But and also it feels me like I am not work. I am not working in my job or in my office if there is the existence of creativity.
Oh, that's
Then
really sweet.
I would enjoy it rather than work on it.
Nice. So you want to enjoy your job rather than
Exactly,
sit.
exactly. So that's
That's
why I will prefer to the creative one.
okay. All right. So according to Indrajit, I think is more important, being creative or being analytical?
Mm, it is a tricky one. Yeah, but both are important, I think, because you should analyze that whatever your field is, uh, on which topic you are going
Mhm.
to, or you are going
Mhm.
to create something, then your creativity comes from you. But you have to know the basics and you have to analyze before the all the things.
Smart answer. Okay. Would you describe a pen? The creative uses of a pen. Can you describe what a pen
Oh
can?
my god.
It's a little. It's okay, man.
uh, yeah, I first of all I will say that the so called proverb and the most uh, useful proverb that pen is mightier than sword, like that. And you can create and you can express yourself by writing
Mhm.
with the help of this, and you can create something new and you can write whatever you want. And yeah, that's it.
Now I'm asking you another question.
Okay.
Can you give me a creative way to show off your mansion? Okay, you need to show off a big mansion. Obviously, a mansion is big. You need to show off this new mansion you bought to your
Uh,
friends. But you
okay.
cannot go to them and say, "Hey, look out! Hey, look, this is my new mansion," or "I bought this yesterday," or something like that. You need to make up a creative excuse, or you need to show off your mansion in a creative way to the people you want to show it off. How would you do that?
uh, I would like to talk about the features of the mansion, that luxurious features. If there is present there, then I will attract their mind, and I will explain it in a luxurious way so that they can come and see the house, I mean mansion.
So, if I had to describe this pen, I would color or I would, draw something with this pen to attract everyone's eye in the room. So, that
Hmm.
is another way how I could show off my mansion would be take pictures of me and the mansion behind me, upload it, and people can see it.
Yeah, yeah, exactly true. That's
They
true.
can ask me if they want to come and visit and something like that.
Yes, yes, that's a very attractive way.
Yeah. Okay, so I am quite done with the questions, but if you have anything to ask,
No, it is really lovely to meet you, and your explanation. I like your explanation, how you explain all the
oh,
things.
all right. So we have a minute or two, I guess, but if there is something you want to ask or talk about,
Yeah,
you
I
can.
want to. Mm, yeah, how can I get fluency in English, in speaking English?
How can you be fluent in speaking English?
Yeah.
How can you speak English? So I'd suggest keep practicing with people,
Hmm. Okay.
keep listening. I wouldn't say listening to podcasts, but those are, audio books where you can
Okay.
listen people talk and have a conversation.
Hmm.
But that is a little advanced. You can you can watch movies with English subtitles. So you get the word, you
Okay.
get how to pronounce the word, you also understand how to use that word in a sentence, all three things at once, right?
Okay.
And you can practice with your friends, you can practice with people around you. The more you practice, the more fluent you get. Without practice there is nothing, and
Hmm.
practicing consistently, always, every day, in a manner is really important for you to improve, for anybody to improve whatever they want
Hmm.
to. So you have to be consistent, you have to continuously practice, and I think that's it. And there are different ways in practicing. You can read books, you can record your audio, you can talk to people, you can
Hmm.
watch videos, you can listen to podcasts of people having a conversation. There are lots of
Oh,
ways.
yeah.
But now that's it. And you can talk to people in English, whosoever work with you. You can talk with your family members or with your friends.
Hmm.